Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss factorization. First of all, class, we will use the two method in England. In England, we will say factorizing in England, and in America, we will say factoring. Now we are having an expression 6x minus 12. We write it 6 into x minus 2. The expression is in a bracket. We say it is a factorize. Let us discover what is the mean and how to make it. Now class, we are going using our previous knowledge. We know 2 3s are 6. These two are factors of 6. These two are factor of 6. Now we are having the algebraic expression like 6x minus 12, that is the factor of 6 into x minus 2. The both are the factor of this one expression. Now if we are writing x square plus x minus 6, that is the factor of x plus 3 and the x minus 2. Factorizing is the process to find out the factors. Factorize means this is the reversible fraction. This is the reversible expression like this 12x minus 8, that is the factor of 4 into 3x plus 12. This is a factorize and this is a expand. This is the factorize, and if we are multiplying these we get a again that one. This is the factorize because we will convert into the two parts, and this is the expand it. If we are multiplying 4 with 3 we get again 12x, and the 4 8 the 4 2 the, that is the 8. So we will say if this is the expanding. Now class, in the factorization we will take the highest common factor. In the factorization we will take the highest common factor. But first of all we will discuss the definition of a factorization. The definition of factorization, that is definition according when we factorize an algebraic expression, we write it as product of factors. These factors may be numbers, algebraic variable and or algebraic expression. Now class, if we I give you some example of these, like expression are 5xy, 5x square y, 2xy plus 2, 5y plus 1, and the 2x plus 2. Now look here class, these are the factor of 5x and y. These are the factor of 5x and y. If we are saying 5x square y, 5x, x and y. These are the factor of 5x square because they are the 2 times. So we are writing the 2 time factors. Here is 2x and y plus 2. These are the two factor of this expression. If we are saying 5, y plus 1, 2x plus 2, these are the three factors of this expression. In the sum expression we will calculate the values. How? Look here. In the sum 2x plus 4, we can't take out the factors. It is not possible 3x plus 3y. It is not possible x square plus 5x. So we need to develop a systematic method to factorize these expression, like 2x plus 4 we are having. For this we need a systematic expression. We will check which one is the highest common factor. Which is the highest? Now here is the 2. We are writing 2 is outside, x plus 2. 2 to the 4. So we will say we are having the 2 factor 2 and x plus 2 of this expression. Here is 3 if we come out x plus y. So we are saying 3 and x plus y, the 2 factor of this expression. Here is no number, x square plus 5x. So we will take the x into x plus 5. This is the expression of x and x plus 5. These are the 2 factors. In the some cases, we are using one more method, that for example this is the expression 6y square plus 12y. One very important thing is there, we will not solve with the 2y. We will come out 2y, 2 3 are 6, 3y plus 2 6 are 12, 3y plus 6. Now we will take out one more thing, one more number come out, because it is also same. Yes, this is the 2y multiply. If we will take 3 outside again, y plus 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So from this process, what we will do, we will check it. We will use our previous knowledge and we will check it which is the highest common factor of this. What we'll do, we will do, first of all we will check it how many factor it goes on the table of 2, 3 and 6. Any more? No. So we will take the number 6. We will take the number 6. 6 into y square plus 2y. Now one more thing, here is y in both the terms, y is there. So what we will do, we will take the y again common, we will take the y plus 2. So these two, 6y and the y plus 2, the two factors of this expression. So we will factorize these. Class, this is the complete briefing of the factorization. So follow this briefing and solve your question number 4 of exercise 4C.